how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your professional or creator account on Instagram back to a personal account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to switch back to personal account on Instagram, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once you have the Instagram app open, select your profile icon in the bottom of the app. Then once you get on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open the settings. Once we're in the settings, scroll down, and if you currently have a professional or creator account on Instagram, you should see for professionals. Under that, select creator tools and controls. Now all we need to do is scroll down and select switch account type at the bottom, and then we can select switch back to personal account. Keep in mind you will lose some things, so make sure you read through this and then select switch to personal account. It'll bring us back to the settings where we can see that the for professional section has been moved to the bottom and we no longer have a professional or creator account on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.